Welcome to DJI tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to attach, activate and use the Zenmuse L2. Zenmuse L2 supports Matrice 350 RTK and M300 RTK with RC+. Attachment and activation. Turn on the aircraft and remote controller. Ensuring the remote controller is connected to the internet. Update the aircraft and remote controller to the latest firmware if needed. If a firmware upgrade is prompted, click to enter the upgrade page. Click Update all devices, and the DJI Pilot 2 app will download and start the upgrade. Attachment. Open the case of Zenmuse L2 and you will find the following items inside. Take out the payload. Remove the cover for gimbal interface and camera. Press and hold the aircraft gimbal camera unlock button and remove the protective cover from the gimbal interface. Align the white mark on the gimbal with the red mark on the aircraft and push up gently. Rotate the gimbal counterclockwise to the locked position, ensuring the red marks are aligned, to complete the securing process. Remove the sticker. Activation. Power on the aircraft and remote controller, ensuring the remote controller is connected to the internet. Open the DJI Pilot 2 app, and the activation page will automatically appear. Authorize the relevant activation information and proceed to the next step, where you will select your industry. Confirm the account for activation. Click the Activate button to activate the payload. After activation is complete, please pay attention to the following considerations. Firmware update. If prompted to upgrade the firmware, click to enter the firmware upgrade page. Click Update all devices, and the DJI Pilot 2 app will download and upgrade the payload, remote controller, and aircraft firmware. If the remote controller cannot connect to the internet, you can also download offline firmware file from the DJI website and import it into the remote controller. Enter the health management system, go to firmware, then offline update. Select the firmware file, and click the Update button to complete the process. You can also insert a micro SD card into Zenmuse L2 with the offline firmware. Turn on the aircraft's power, and L2 will automatically upgrade its firmware with an alert tone. Please restart the aircraft after the upgrade is complete. Check the firmware again before flight. Preparation. Flight environment. Before actual flights, please complete flight training first, such as practicing with simulators in DJI Assistant software, or seek guidance from professionals. Obtain the necessary flight licenses according to local regulations and choose an appropriate flight environment based on the following requirements. Install the L2 onto the Matrice 350 RTK single downward gimbal connector, and make sure the micro SD card is installed. Turn on the remote controller and the aircraft. Open the DJI Pilot 2 app and perform a self-check. RTK and payload settings. Using LiDAR requires centimeter-level positioning data and high-precision inertial navigation data. In the flight view, general settings, and precise positioning setting, you can choose RTK or PPK to obtain centimeter-level positioning data. For manual flights, it is recommended to use Network RTK. When the status bar displays RTK connected, RTK data in use, and the RTK setting page displays fix, it indicates that the RTK function is ready to use. Switch the shooting mode to point cloud recording. In camera settings, you can adjust sampling rate, scanning mode, return mode, and activate RGB coloring. Sampling rate refers to the laser pulse emission rate. 240 kHz means that 240,000 laser pulses are emitted per second. The L2 payload supports two scanning modes, non-repetitive and repetitive scanning. In non-repetitive mode, the field of view is 70 degrees horizontally and 75 degrees vertically, which offers a higher number of facade points and suitable for power inspection, forestry survey, and other applications. In repetitive scanning, the FOV is 70 degrees horizontally and 3 degrees vertically, which can perform more uniform and accurate scans to meet high-precision mapping requirements. When a laser pulse is emitted onto various objects, it will generate multiple reflections. You can configure the return mode to select how many times it receives the laser pulse. Under return mode, you can select single, dual, triple, quad, and pent-return. Pent-return mode allows for up to 1.2 million reflected laser pulses per second. When RGB coloring is enabled, the L2 uses invisible light camera to capture images of the target object, thereby adding color to the LiDAR point cloud data. Manual flight. Flight safety. Take off the aircraft. It's recommended to fly within visual line of sight. If the flight altitude exceeds 120 meters, be aware of potential legal risks. Make sure to read the safety overview for safety precautions before flying. IMU calibration. Before data collection, perform IMU calibration to ensure the accuracy of the results. Click Calibrate. Click C2, and the aircraft will automatically perform a calibration flight, which is flying back and forth. To ensure flight safety, activate obstacle avoidance and confirm via the FPV screen that there are no obstacles in the red zone, which is 30 meters in front of the aircraft. Fly the aircraft near the target and adjust the gimbal for an appropriate capture angle. Laser rangefinder and pinpoint. Activate the laser rangefinder, then the central crosshair turns red. RNG refers to distance between payload and the target, which is at the center of the screen. Elevation and coordinates of the target will also be displayed. Press the L3 button to pinpoint the target. Under conditions of 10% target reflectivity and 100 kLx light intensity, the maximum range of L2 is 250 meters. Note that the actual range may vary based on different scanning angles and vertical orientations. It is recommended to keep the vertical distance between the payload and the target between 20 and 150 meters. Note: RC buttons. Click Record to start point cloud recording. Press L1 to turn side-by-side feature, which is a split-screen view of visible light and point clouds. Press L2 to switch the camera view between visible light and point cloud views. Press R1 to switch coloring modes under point cloud view. Press R2 to preview the recorded model. Click to choose different perspectives for observing the point cloud model. Press the L1 button to zoom out to a perspective where the entire model can be seen, with the model centered. Press the L2 button, the perspective will back to the location of the aircraft, showing the model directly under the aircraft. Press the R2 button to exit model preview. Be aware that hovering recording is not supported, and recalibration is required during the flight based on the calibration status prompts. Click the Point Cloud Record button again to stop recording. After point cloud recording is finished, it is recommended to perform IMU calibration again. Point cloud playback. Click Playback. In the type filter at the top, a new option for Point Cloud has been added. The list contains completed point cloud files and photos. You can select one or multiple files to download to the remote controller, make sure it has sufficient remaining storage. After the download is complete, click to preview the point cloud files. Click the play button to enter the model details. Use one finger to rotate the model, 2 fingers sliding in the same direction will pan the model, and 2 fingers sliding in opposite directions will zoom in/out of the model. Press the L2 button to project the 3D point cloud model onto a 2D map for viewing. You can also make lines and areas annotations on the map to identify locations in the model where the point cloud rendering is not optimal. Press the L3 button to enter the model selection page. Once in this page, select the point cloud you need for stitching and download them. You can stitch multiple point cloud models together to quickly view the overall effect and identify locations where the point cloud rendering is not optimal. Note: after the operation is completed, please turn off the power of the aircraft and the remote controller. Press and hold the unlock button on aircraft gimbal mount, then rotate the L2 payload interface clockwise to remove the payload. Storage and transportation. Attach the lens and gimbal protective covers and place the payload into the case. The storage temperature range for the L2 is from -20 degrees to -60 degrees Celsius. Keep L2 in a dry and dust-free environment. Note: